Today, we're going to learn how to use a paddle in a kayak. So first, make sure that the left side of the paddle is flat and the right side is straight up. Then, make sure that you're holding the paddle at a 90-degree angle. Straighten your left arm while putting your right hand right next to your ear. Now flick your right wrist up with the paddle while keeping your left hand in the same position. Move your left arm back while straightening your right arm forward. Now flick your right wrist back to the original position and move your right arm back while straightening your left arm forward. Repeat this for every stroke, making sure that the back hand is always right next to the ear before you start another stroke. That's for forward paddling. For backwards paddling, the motion is essentially the same but backwards. So once you master forward paddling, you can try to reverse the forward paddling to get backwards paddling. Make sure you look behind you every 3 strokes to ensure that you're not bumping into someone when you're doing backwards paddling. Now you can apply the same principles that you learned in the water, as you can see in the video. I forgot to mention that you can also turn when you're in the kayak. You can do this by just giving the water service instead of taking your paddle straight into the water.